I need to print a stand for this damn phone. Come on. That's not bad. Hello, everybody. It is I, Orbem. And yes, this game is pretty close to being done. Very exciting. But we're going to give it a try, and I have to finish the boss level, which I'm pretty sure it works already. I mean, I have the boss level in Escape to Orbem, so it should be pretty similar. We'll see. But let's turn the music down. That's a what? A demon? Says Jesus Christ live. Yeah, could be. Check out my new game music. I just made this. Pretty good, huh? So let's actually move this down a little bit. It got moved up somehow. There we go. Okay. Move with arrows, WASD. Attack with spacebar. Alright. I have an update coming up to fix the goblin hurt sound, but for now. And I think I like my wand wizard staff attack sound. It's good. This is One Wizard, Wrong Forest that I just developed with Orbem Studio. And yeah, you're a wizard in the wrong forest. Oh god. And the goblins progressively get stronger, and now I know how to do a heavy attack. Shit. And yeah, and now I can do a charge attack, which is hold spacebar to charge. Oh shit. Okay, I have to start killing these guys. They're gonna kill me. Jesus Christ. There we go. And then here comes chaos. Luckily I have a health potion that doesn't work. The plugin update will fix that. Shit. I will die. Oh god, no. I'm... Okay, I almost died. How did I make it? I'll show you. Right after I kill this guy. Let's kill him with a charge attack. Okay. So this is a WordPress website. Anybody know what WordPress is? So, this is just a website. This is my website. My game website. This is the dashboard. And I built this entire game using a plugin I developed called Orbem Studio. So you develop the areas, the enemies, the characters, you define the items in it. It can do a lot more than what this game has. It's a pretty basic game compared to what you could do. And yeah, you make walls, you can do pop-ups, you can do whatever you want. So there's a lot of functionality, no code. It's completely configurable like a WordPress plugin. Like my main character's right here, Wizard. I created him. And for main characters, you don't have to select a lot, just kind of like their size and then all their sprite images. Also, I have hurt sounds. So when he gets hurt, he makes, you know, a little sound effect. Yeah, and I actually have a lot of games that I've been developing. I'm really trying to hone in on making this one as fun and replayable as possible. But yeah, I mean, there's I made a zombie fighting game that you could play called Cemetery Showdown. It's another kind of like brawler game, but it's with zombies. You can see the similar, you know, fighting style. So it can do things like this, and it can also do things like Orbem.games. This is another one. Different website. This is based off of my book series, Orbem. And you can have intro videos. You can have NPCs wandering around, tutorial pop-ups like this. Kind of tells you what's going on. Oh, hold on, let me mute this. There we go. Yeah. Oh, let me unmute this. There you go. Focus view, you know, you could see signs, you could talk to people.
Hey, Graham. I heard
You
about you
have
getting let
actual
go.
voiceover work.
The world is tough, and so are people.
Yeah, this is
That's why I keep to my plan.
a complete story that I wrote,
Here, you're gonna
which you
need
can
this
see
now
on
that you're
Amazon here.
unemployed.
So this game, Escape to Orbem, is based off of the first 5 chapters of Orbem. That's book 1 right here. And book 2, Miropelia. They're both out right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. And it was supposed to be kind of like a way for people to get into the story. Or vice versa. You read the books or listened to the Audible and you wanted to, you know, experience the world by walking around, breaking plants, you know, collecting points. And yeah, basically the story is you just got fired from your job.
Need to grab my stuff.
Collected my stuff, and I got to talk to my boss.
Guess I should talk to my boss before.
And this is actual dialogue from the book too.
Hey, Mr. Salk.
So you can make it really, you know, story based.
Hey, Craig.
But you can add a lot of playable stuff. Sweet. Thanks, Reaper. Appreciate it.
Oh, hey, Graham. Sorry, I didn't notice you were there.
And yeah, you can do a whole bunch of stuff. I even did a product game for a company called Share This. The book's called Orbem. You find on Amazon here. Orbem. O-R-B-E-M. Same as my channel, Orbem Order, but Orbem. And then book 2 is Miropelia. I'm working on book 3. It's coming. There's going to be 4 books in the series, so I'm halfway done. But yeah, this is like a product choosing game where you like go through a map to choose the kind of product that's best for your website. And so it has a lot of practical applications because it's built on a website. It's built on a WordPress website, right? It's using a WordPress plugin. So it really allows you to put it anywhere you want. And the best part is, it's a website, right? So the game can automatically switch to mobile based off of where you're viewing the game. See, now I have a D-pad. the move instructions have changed. You know, it's a little bit more mobile friendly now, right? So now I'm walking around with the D-pad instead. Oh yeah. Yeah, give it a shot. You've come across Mooney Chronicles and Audible in the recent site-wide sale. Oh, nice. When the game comes. Hey, MFH Raptor, thanks. Yeah. The game's here. Just go to orbem.games. You too can play Escape to Orbem. And I'm pretty sure it's not. It might be a little buggy. I've been doing a lot of plugin updates. But I think it works. I mean, I was just playing it earlier.
Off with a nice formal intro. My name is Dr. Graham Milford, and I'm what is known as a technologist.
And yeah, I do all the voiceover work for a lot of the games, so you might recognize my voice every now and then.
I wonder what that sign says.
Well, I'm free, you know.
Ooh, hello,
That's
Dr.
not me.
Milford.
Ooh. I also use Google's text-to-speech AI voices for some of the people. Hey, Cranston. I can't do accents very well.
No hard feelings, eh?
I could do an old man's wizard voice. So I definitely do the wizard voice in the game. But yeah, play the game. It follows the story of the book really closely all the way until they transport to Orbem, the fantasy universe. So yeah, give it a shot. Tell me all the bugs you find. And if you like story-based games or you sit around listening to dialogue and stuff, then right up your alley. But yeah, trying to finish this one. So after you get to the last part, you're going to go here. And now you're going to be here, which is the boss level. I actually need to fix where I start. So I want to start here. I want to start like in the hole. So like right here. Yeah. And I'm going to start like that. So let me get the coordinates here. Real quick. And I want to put the music back on. Oh yeah, I did boss battle music too. Let's go. I really love making video game music. I just made a new Fiverr gig. In case anybody wants video game music, because I really like making it. You know, I just have my MIDI keyboard here. Finally get to use my piano playing skills for something more than fucking around. Uh, 17, 14. So in order to do that, we go to the boss fight level. My start top is going to be, I just copied that instead of pasted. 17, 14 is 4605. 4605. Cool. So now I'll start here and I'll start facing left, which is right here. And this is going to be a boss fight. So, and I think actually that position I made was really close. I might have to look at that, but that actually worked really well. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit higher maybe. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. And it's not a cutscene area, so we'll leave that alone. Yeah, I think this is it. All I need to do now is add a boss. Yeah. So I'm going to need to create a boss now. We have all our goblins, and they're all fine. I might tweak some of their fighting speed. Wait, why am I stuck? What the hell? I'm stuck. Oh, wait. Oh, got it. I was going too far that way. Yeah, let's build a wall. Here's how you build walls. That might be... No, that's not good. And then we'll need to... Let's actually build one closer. I might have to mess with the map a little bit. Okay, that's actually good. No. I need to go all the way up here. Alright, that'll stop me. I might have to move the cave over a little bit though. It's a little bit too far, which is fine. But let's cap it off on the top, so I can't walk farther than that. Oh shit. Alright. Perfect. And then I can't walk over here to a certain point. I can walk like here. Yeah. Maybe more like that. Yeah. There we go. That's pretty realistic. And let's cap off the bottom. We'll do the whole bottom here. Something like there. Yep, that'll work. Yeah, it's twerking. And then we can cap the top off. Let's do something like... yeah, something like that. Yeah, when you turn dev mode off, you can really see it. Feels pretty good. Oh, I should have that off when I'm clicking around. And then this I need completely blocked off. This is where the boss is going to be. I don't want to be able to go over here, so we'll do one of these. And then we'll block it off right here. Not allowed. We just stop him over here. I am gonna move the map a little bit. Only that tree though, so I think we're good over there. And then we'll... I think that's pretty good. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, I mean, technically I could just bring this whole thing down. And then we'll just cap off this little corner here. Cool. I am now within the fighting zone. All right, cool. I love how I still have no help. Okay. Sweet. This is pretty good. This is good. This is a good amount of fighting room. Now, we'll see how it works with the boss. I'm gonna have to make sure. Books covers have mature character design. That does not line with the children book design I see here in the game. Well, I mean, it's an RPG version of the world, right? So I made it RPG like. I didn't make it like a one-to-one with the book. Yeah, the book is more adult like. I mean, it's not like it's gruesome or has a bunch of sex or anything in it, but you know, it's pretty hard sci-fi, so kids aren't going to be all about it. But the game, it does have the same dialogue, so I mean, it's still pretty mature, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know if the game is final period. Maybe. I haven't really decided, because I spent a lot of time developing this game. Like, the game mechanics, this game is what built Orbem Studio, the game engine. Like, everything I can do in here, this is my local, I can do in, you know, in any other game. So the combat mechanics, the cutscene dialogues, the cutscene areas, missions, the NPC logic, the boss fight logic, going to new areas, you know, that's all was built because I built this game. So, yeah. The style is pretty just RPG-like, I think. Pixel art RPG. It's kind of a hybrid. But yeah, good comment. I agree. It's definitely not exactly the same as the book. So I need to move this dude over. And I think I can do that without screwing up the entire map. By kind of cutting in half here. I can probably get some extra room from here. So if I like squish this in a little bit like that, I think that's enough to center it. And then we can kind of clean it up. Switch you to pencil. This is a cool little trick I've been doing to get these hybrided together. Just kind of give it like a little bit. It's kind of like your welding, you know. You just kind of have to go back and forth a little bit to clean up the lines with a hard edge eraser. I like using pencil. And there, you can barely tell that they're together. Barely. I can still tell, but barely. That looks pretty good. Now I just gotta get this to work. Can probably keep that tree. That's actually not that bad. There we go. Just giving it a little shake. And you can see it definitely blends in the textures by doing that. And then we got to make sure this one's cleaned up pretty well. That's not bad. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. I think I can get away with that. I thought I was gonna have to do some lighting, but I think that's okay. Alright, let's save it. forest boss. Alright, this should actually fit now into the level. Let's go to the boss fight. Let's upload a new version. Yeah, that's the one thing about the game engine. You know, you could build the game mechanics all day long, right? You can build full-on games if you have the assets. That's the one thing I find that has definitely, you know, been the slowest part, is developing the assets. The character assets, the map assets, the, you know, item assets, all that kind of stuff. The sound effects, the music, like that's the stuff that actually takes the longest. But building the game itself, I mean, it's just building any other WordPress page, right? If you guys are super interested in this, it's free and it's available right now. I mean, you just go to WordPress plugin / Orbem Studio. You can build your own games right now in your WordPress website. And I mean, if you don't even know how to use WordPress, it's really easy to figure out. So if you're going to build a website and you want a website and it's going to be a WordPress website and you want to build a game on your website, this is how you do it. It's the best way. I have a lot of documentation and, you know, I have a Discord, and you can definitely ask questions. Okay, here we go. What is going on? Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah. So now it's a little bit off. Let's see if I can get away with moving this over. I can, because I'm smart. I'll move this. And I think that's it. I think I can go even a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Yeah. Charge attack. Alright. Perfect. So I'll start here. Whoop. I want to start here. So let's make sure I have that. 1717 4101. Oh no, area. Boss. I was already on it. Duh. 1717 4101. Boom. And there you go. Boss level is ready for a boss. And you can set your games to require login, because it persists things. Like, it persists my coordinates. Like, if I stop here, it's a website, right? So what happens? You refresh the website by accident or on purpose. If you have your game set to login, you know, people have to log in accounts on your WordPress website, then when they click continue, you're in the same spot you left off. Same with health. You see my health persists. Settings persist. I can turn the music up, I can turn it down, and I can save. And once it's saved, it stays saved. That's very cool. Saves what level you're on to. And if you're in dev mode, you get a few extras. You get your, obviously all your triggers and stuff show up. You get wall builder mode. You get your pinpoint tool, which is very handy, especially when you're doing this based off of coordinates. So like, I want to put an item here. So now I know that that is top position and left position of that. So when I'm building the item, I can use it. And then you got some extra modes here. I need to style those, just 'cause it changes based off of your theme. But you have God mode, no touch mode. So I could turn these on, and now I can go through walls, and I can go through things that usually if you touch, you interact with them. It's kind of a good way to like get around the map and build things without fucking around with the game. All right, let's start from the first level and see if we can get here. All right, let's do it. Dead. I have the sound effects all up. Now I'm going to turn off login mode because this game doesn't need login. You can still do multi-level games without being logged in. I mean, it doesn't persist anything, but it just starts you again from the beginning, which is not a big deal. Oh, shit. Dead. Heavy attack. Dead. Oh, shit. 2 hit. Heavy attack. Dead. Now I'm killing this round. Wait, what's that? Charged attack. Hold spacebar. Shit. Oh god. I got hit. It's like the death stick. I love it. Oh god. I need health. Oh yeah, it doesn't work yet. Oh, I need to add a sound effect for when you collect things too. Shit. Alright, just you and me, big boy. Alright, let's check what the area looks like. Wow, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's actually perfect. I mean, I might move it a little higher. So you have to walk in a little bit more. That's good. Oh, look at that start position. Perfect. And you're like, what the fuck? Where am I? And then what'll happen is a cutscene will happen. It'll scroll over to the golem and be like, who the fuck are you? You know, get out of my forest. Ugh. And yeah, let's start working on the boss now. Now I don't want to go too big because he won't fit when he walks around if I do him too big. Though I can make him really slow. I mean, I don't want him running around like crazy either, so I think I want his hitbox being pretty decent. Yeah, it's pretty good. He's basically a square. Pretty close. Let's give him a little bit sharpen. No. Hmm? Yeah, I think he'll look good in this. He'll look pretty damn good if I do say so myself. So let's... I'm gonna need a little avatar square for him to talk. Something like that. Can do that. We can give it a little border. We'll do a, I don't know, a brown border. A little darker. Yeah, that'll work. Actually, I want that bigger. Let's do 20. There we go. Boss. All right. And let's put on a little thingy doodad. Let's get a walking animation. We're gonna need this a little bit taller then. Yeah, that works. Let's get the timeline open. And we'll just give it a good old, what, 15? I guess that's good. Though I want to make it a little bit longer. A little bit longer. Make him slower. And then I'll need a hit animation too. So we'll do a right. And let's make, I don't want to make him too big, but he also has to be bigger than the rest. So that's like 250, like 233. Well, let's make him bigger so I can make him smaller. So we'll do 300. And we'll do boss right. And let's go boss left. And then that's good. And then we need a hit. Which is not too bad. Maybe. does that. See if it works now. Yeah, for some reason it needs to be on a white background sometimes. I don't know, I might still fuck up, but... No, see, it got all squished again. Oh, shit. I don't think that helped. Yeah, forget it. I think it's good enough. Do I have a hit sprite for every direction? I think I do, actually. No, I have like a attack. Oh no, I have a hurt. Yeah, okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. It's looking the wrong color. What the fuck? Better. Boss hurt. Right. Oh shit. Whoops. Gotta make that a PNG. Flip a bitch. Alright. And now we need an attack image. We can get started though. So, new enemy is going to be the golem. He'll be in the boss fight level. I want him to be here, basically. Yeah, basically taking up this whole thing. What? I think I said I wanted him to be 250, right? 250 by 233. 250, 233, 250. Okay, And this is tree golem. And I don't have noises for him yet, but I definitely will. Let's add some stuff. So his default's going to be facing to the right. I guess I need a static. Let me get a static going. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I might need a static for every direction too. Let's just do both, just in case. I don't know how I'm going to have him move yet, so it's probably safer to have a static for both directions. Alright. So now we have static, which, I mean, I could do an animated static, but let's start simple. Alright. Static up will be the same. Static left will be my static left. And static is basically just when somebody stops moving. Static right will be static right. Static down will be static right. Because he starts on the left side, so it's safer to just have all the statics be pointing to the right. And now, movement. Up, we got right. Down, we got right. Left, we got left. Okay, and let's do right movement, which is you. And that should be it there. And then we have the hit, or no, not the hit, the hurt. Here we go. So we have up hurt. What up, Jumbo Chop Cookie? I'm developing a game. A new game on Orbem Studio. It's called One Wizard, Wrong Forest. And yeah, using my WordPress-based game engine I developed to build, hopefully, an actually fun game for once. I built a lot of games that showcase what the game engine can do, but I'm really trying to build like one that will do well on itch. People will want to actually play. And so far, I think this is pretty fun, if I do say so myself. And I like the concept. I like the sound. I have to finish up the boss level. And then I'll run it through a bunch of play tests. I have another plugin update to push live too, to fix a couple bugs I found. Boom. Ooh. But yeah, this is what I'm building. Ooh, I hit that guy into the nether realm. Luckily I could hit him. Charge attack. Pew! Instant kill. Charge attack is buku strong. Oh shit. Yeah, one of the bugs is the health doesn't work. Which sucks, because I really need health. Oh, fuck. These guys are like fucking flies once they get sped up. Alright, baby. Enjoy this charge attack. Fucking wrecked. And then yeah, you go to the boss level. That's what I'm building right now. Right now he's all alone. Alright, I need the hurt right. Oh no, hurt right. I'm building the boss right now. Hurt down. Hurt left. Right hurt. Cool. Oh, I don't have a dead. I need a dead image too. Alright. That's fine. This should get me at least to a certain point. So I have different types of enemies, right? I have blocker, which is just a dude that stands there and you can kill him, right? He's just blocking something. And then I have shooter. So these guys actually shoot a projectile, which you can define as well. There's a whole configuration for what the projectiles look like. Fireballs, arrows, you know, the enemy can be whatever and shoot whatever. And then runner, which is the one I'm using for this game mostly. Runner is just like it sounds. They're runners. They come at you. And they have some pretty intense obstacle avoidance logic that I use on the NPCs as well, the not enemies. It allows them to get around, you know, and not get stuck on your walls. And if there's a chair in the middle of the room, they won't just get stuck behind it because you're there. They'll actually go around it. And then boss. He's the boss. Boss, I know it was working on my other game. But I've only used it once so far, so I might need to... Ooh, what am I going to do for health? Should start pretty high, I guess. And then his damage is going to be... I think his damage should be pretty high, too. We'll do like 20 or something. But he's going to be slow. Can't have all three, right? So slow is like... slow. Higher the number, the slower it is. I should probably write a note for that, but yeah. And then, yeah, so you could turn on Wanderer, where like it doesn't actually, the enemy doesn't actually attack you, it just walks around the map, and you can kill it. Like a chicken or something, if you want to kill a chicken. You could turn it into a wandering enemy. And I don't know what I want to do yet. I think I might define a path for it, and just have him walk back and forth. So like right now, he's here. I might just have him walk back and forth slowly. So that would be like down 400 pixels. And like that's kind of his style. And then I'll turn repeat on, and so now he'll just repeat going up and down on that side. I don't know. I might turn him into something else. But this is what I'm going to try to do first, at least. And then I need to add a cutscene to start the boss fight, which I don't have yet, but I will do that. Unless there is a better way to do. Nah, yeah, I should probably do that. I should make him into that. And then, so you can add projectile configuration here. The speed of the projectile, you can make it really slow, like a big fireball, or like fast. And then here's the boss stuff. So you can define a actual weapon that they're weak against as well. So like if you want them to be only weak against metal items or specific spells, you can define that here. I'm going to have projectile and pulse wave. So this is two different style of boss fighting. Projectile is like it sounds. I'm going to have him shoot a projectile. I don't know what. I'll just do this for now. Can you make something like a character, but I can code? I know something about Blender character modeling. Ooh. So the only thing about this game system is it's a no-code solution. So it's all about configuration. And it's all about asset creation, really. I mean, as long as you can export your character as a GIF animation, or just a solid image. You can't code? Perfect. Good. There's no code involved in this game, except for the game engine that I built. But yeah, I mean, you can develop your characters any way you want, and you'll see they have a bunch of sprites, sprite images, and then here, let me put time between. And we'll leave that. We have the path. I'll show you. Pew. Oh, I have to add his avatar real quick. Yeah, you'll see I'm not coding. I'm just configuring the game. You know what I mean? So I just know how I want the game to be built, and then I use all these custom post types to develop it. The area is the map. The characters are the characters that are not enemies. Enemies are enemies. They have specific stuff. You can develop missions that get completed based off of different things you do, whether it's interacting with an item. Items are great. There's breakable ones, collectible, clickable, tons of types of items. Then you have things to, show how to build the game, or like how to use the game. Explainers, pop-ups. They tell you, hey, this is how you do this. Here are the controls, that kind of stuff. You can do that in different ways. Focus view is just basically you have something on the map that you want to view up close. So you just interact with it. And you can use it for different things too. But yeah. The sprites themselves are pretty simple. You see, like in my case, I have some static ones. I have some walking ones. You see, it's like a little walking 2-frame animation. But then I also have some much more advanced. Here's the plugin, by the way, if you wanted to check it out. It's WordPress or plugins. Just search Orbem Studio. And you download this for free, and you can build your own game with it. But like, for this game, I was able to do a little bit more 3D-ish animations. You see, like, whatever you can put as an avatar image, you can use as a sprite image, basically, on the game. Hey, C Films, how's it going, man? I'm doing pretty good. Just working on my boss level. Let's see what he looks like. Oh, nice. He's a little small. I can make him much bigger. You doing good? Great. Yeah, how's the website going? Is he stuck? Or is that just how long he's taking? Oh, it looked like he went... Oh, I made him go too far down. Whoops. Let's go up a couple hundred. And you know what? I think I need to make him big. Like, he's way smaller than I was expecting. Shit. Well, let's see what 300, 279 is. 300, 279. I still think that's going to be small. Good. How's your coding language going? That was a fun project, huh? McFly. Okay. He's still too small. I think he should be bigger. And I think he needs to be slower, too. Why is it not? I think I need to remember how to use the time between duration, because that might be really slow. New coding? Hell yeah. Have you built any projects with it yet? Yeah, he needs to be way bigger. I mean, twice as big. 600, 558. Let's try it. I was scared he was going to be too big for the map. Well, I'm going to have to resave out all his images. Whoa. Okay. That might be... See, that might be too big. Oh shit, he's trying to attack. Oh god, he did attack. Whoops. I didn't mean to die. Oh, it worked. User-defined functions. Cool. Oh yeah, I forgot he... Yeah, that's a bug. That's too big. Let's go 500. 465. 465. 500. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, now we're talking. I think that's a pretty good boss size. Yeah. I think that's pretty good for a giant golem. So let's resave out all his stuff much bigger. So first off, I need to do, yeah, static images. And we'll do 600. Static left. Go back. Static right. And then I need to resave out his walking animations too. And then we'll do hit left. Hurt left. Hurt right. Hurt right. Nah. And then it's fine. I want to get back to before I did this. Okay. So it's walking left. Oh shit. New. We're doing GIF and we're doing black background. And then boss left. And then boss right. Okay. Perfect. So let's replace all those. And then we're going to need a way to start his shit. Alright. So this is going to be static. New. Static, yes. Static. Oh, static left. Static right. Static down. And now we got up. Down. Left. Perfect. And right. And then let's do his hurt images, and then we'll see what he looks like. Hurt up, hurt down, hurt left, and hurt right. Yes. Alrighty. Now we're talking. Much better. Okay. So now he looks part of this world. Why can't I hit you? I can't reach him or something. That's not good. How come I can only hit him from here? It's kind of weird. Huh. You are very dead. Okay. Well, let's figure this out. Maybe it'll be different when he actually moves around. Now, I wonder if I turn him into a... Yes, this is a new game. This is One Wizard, Wrong Forest. So I'm trying to create a actual, like, fun game. Short and fun. You know, something that people will be able to be like, hey, this was really cool. You know, like, how was it built, right? You need to be interested in the game engine because it's a web-based, you know, side scroller, you know, kind of like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle style. And I want it to be a little bit weird, a little bit, you know, kooky, but definitely banger music, which I already wrote and it sounds awesome. And, you know, just kind of be replayable, not impossible, not super easy, but, you know, get people thinking about it. Fucking bitch. God damn it. I'm not great at it. I'm getting better though. But yeah, this is the newest game. I've created a few games that are not like made to be super replayable or cool or whatever. They're just more like an example of what Orbem Studio can do. And this, I wanted to be like, okay, this is a game, you know? This is something that's it's fun. This isn't just like an example of what you could do. It's like, this is what somebody would do. And hopefully some people find it fun. I'm going to release it on itch. And Let's create a cutscene to get this started. Boss fight. Maybe 3. What are you doing in my forest? Oh shit. I haven't. That's weird. I haven't made enemies part of cutscenes before. Wait, how did I do it then? Oh, I must have used a different character. Oh, that's funny. I didn't even think about that. Hold up. That is actually funny. So that means I made a character for Salverson. Golem. You know, boss. Right. And I must have just done this then. I mean, his height doesn't matter because he's not going to go anywhere. Okay. And then I just need whatever. All the required fields. I mean, I guess that's it. I just need him to be a character that I can use. Alright. It's kind of hacky, but we figured it out. Oh yeah, let's just restore. So, yeah, Golem boss. Alright, whatever. What are you doing in my forest? Okay, whatever. That's it. And then it's going to be the boss fight. It's going to trigger automatically. I'm going to just make it... let's go 2,000 and then like 4,500. We'll make it just super big. That way I can definitely hit it. That might be too big. Okay, let's try that. And we don't need music for it yet. That might be a good idea though, to add different music for the cutscene. And then we need it to start the boss. So that's at the end? Yeah, cutscene boss. Golem. Perfect. So that should start the boss fight after he talks. Alright, let's give it a shot. New game. Oh, no. Let's just do this. So where is the... Okay, here it is. Let's bring you right here. Perfect. So when I start in the map, it should go. What are you doing in my forest? Did it work? Doesn't look like it worked. It's not a valid map item. What map item is this? 148. Oh, it's a cut character. Yeah. Oh, because he doesn't exist. Right. That's fine. He doesn't exist. So that should be fine. How do I do it with Orbem Order? Hold up. I gotta check on my boss fight. Enemies. I know I don't have a lot of enemies in this one. Yeah, so we have the boss fight. And whatever. And he goes... Oh, I have him on Wander. Oh, I think... Did I just turn that on? When did I do that? I think that might be what I do, though. I might just turn him on Wanderer mode. Yeah, here's his projectile. I'm gonna have to add that for sure. I have that. See, I don't have a cutscene though that triggers him set. This might not even work. Shit, I don't know. Well, let's check the cutscene that starts the fight. See how I did that. I think it's this one. Enough talk. Yeah, and then I just start the fight. So blah blah blah, auto. Mute the music, sure. What do I do? Yeah, I just have the cutscene boss selected. How's that work? Oh yeah, what? See, I'm using a Salverson that doesn't exist in that map. So how does that not error out as well? Maybe it doesn't matter. Alright, whatever. So I'm doing the same thing. I think I just need to change the way he's moving around. I'm gonna try him being Wanderer and see if that helps. So I'm gonna remove that. Not gonna do that. Oh yeah, what did I do for time between? Where did I do that? Here we go. Enemy. I did... That's his damage. Speed, I did 20. So he is kind of fast. I'm definitely going to go slower. I need to add the projectile. Enemy, okay, projectile speed is 90. What did I do for time between though? 1. I think 1 is no time. Or whatever, I'm gonna try that. Because 10 might be like a lot. I don't even know. I am interested. Maybe it doesn't need that. Alright, here's the projectile. Enemy speed 90. Wait, do I have a trigger set for that? No, I don't. Okay. Oh, no, for the projectile, do I? No, I don't. I do have the size, though. I gotta add that. Okay. Now we're gonna make him Wanderer and see if that works. We shall see. I might have to do some updates. Oh yeah, he's wandering. I just wanted to start attacking. He's supposed to shoot me. Oh yeah, there's his projectile. He's not shooting at me though. Wonder why. I wonder if it's this error. That's not a valid selector though. Why would he even be using that? What the hell? It won't let me attack. Maybe it really is that error. You know what? I'm gonna switch the cutscene person who's talking to me and see if that fixes it. Just to see if the reason is really that bug. Because I mean, I can fix that before the plugin update I'm doing. So that's me. Okay, good. So I can still fight. He's still not shooting at me, though. And I still can't hit him from the left. He might be too big. You know what? I need to make him passable. Yeah, I'm still worried why he's not attacking. Wait, do I? Let me check if there's another error. What? What is this? No, I think it's just music. Let's... Might need to make him smaller, but let's definitely make him passable. Oh wait, I don't know if I can do that. No, I can't. I can't make him passable. That's only a NPC thing. Never mind. Okay. So yeah, it might just be, like I said, maybe the boss logic is just broken right now. Which is unfortunate. I probably broke it when I was messing around with all the enemy stuff. So I definitely need to get boss triggerable. I mean, I want to do the cutscene though, so I might put the time into allowing enemies to be cutscene character selectors. I don't think that would be too hard, but it might be. Well, let's give the game another run through. And then, yeah. I mean, what do you expect? This is a WordPress website, guys. You think this is just going to be a perfect game right away? Yeah, I'm excited to get the plugin updated, though, because I have that stupid hurt noise bug where if they die, it doesn't give them a hurt noise until the mission ends, which is dumb. But if they have extra health, you can, you know, it does it. I already fixed it. I have the plugin ready to be updated. But I want to fix the boss fight mechanics before I do the plugin update. You see, like when I hit them and they have health already, it's it does do the noise correctly, but oh shit. Heavy attack. Oh, you're a big boy. Heavy attack. Oh, you bitch. I love my hurt noise. I recorded a lot of different hurt noises, and that one was the funnest. Jesus, tanky. Okay, I have a charged attack now that I need to learn. Charged attack. Hold spacebar to charge. Let go to attack. Deal. It's like a death attack, for sure. Oh shit. Come at me, boy. Shit. They're fast. Nice. And here's this tank. Alright. You asked for it. Charging. Go. Alright, you're dead. Cool. So now that all the people are dead, you can go right here. And why didn't the cutscene trigger? Oh. Wait, why didn't the cutscene trigger? Wait, why is he walking away? I think he started outside of the map. Yeah, I just think he's too big. He's just too big for the map. Oh. What? How did he get out? Where are you going? Come back. Alright, chill, dude. Yeah, he's just too big for the map. Like, he's literally phasing through walls because he's so big. Yeah, he's not even inside the walls. Okay, that's fine. Let's go down to 4. How big? 450. Did I have 400 already? I think I said that was too small. Let's try it. 400, 372. It's gonna be smallish. Was it 400, 372? Let's see what it looks like now. Oh shit. He's still way bigger than me. So, and he fits in the map better. So, I guess it's fine. Where the hell did that cutscene go? Oh, it's right there. That's weird. I had to refresh. That's not good. Why are you stuck, bruh? Where are you stuck? Why can't I kill you? Yeah, I'm starting to think I need to make bosses, first of all, passable. I need to be able to like walk through them, just like enemies. Like honestly, maybe I should do multiple boss types. I should do maybe. I still like the wave thing, obviously. It needs to be waves, but wait, what are you stuck on? I don't even get what you're stuck on. I mean, I can make this a little higher so you can fit. Is that better? I'll let you move around a little bit better. I don't know why the wandering logic is so dumb right now. I think the problem is I spent so much time on the runner enemy logic that I definitely like created a bunch of bugs in the boss, because the boss was done a long time ago, and it's all in the same code base. What if he just wasn't a wanderer though? What if I just like had him start whatever? We'll just do that. Let's get rid of the movement. No. So he doesn't have anything. And then I'm going to set this as the cutscene. I don't think that matters, but let's try it. Okay, that's not where I want you. I want you to like, just start right there. Okay? So like he should start shooting me. Because right now, what is he on? So he's got projectile, pulse wave. So projectile should come first. And his projectile is doing nothing. Here's his projectile. Looks fine. I don't know why it's not doing anything. It should be shooting at me right now. Draggable true. Health is good. Time between's good. Enemy speed's good. Speed's good. Health amount. Yeah, I don't see anything major. I don't know what these are from. Let's double check. When do those start? Is it after the cutscene? Yeah, okay. Which is fine. It's probably just because I don't have an image. Alright. Well, we have something to do tomorrow. Hey! Everybody that jumped on today, thanks so much. Sea Films, always great to see you, my friend. Let's say hi to everybody. Jumbo Chop Cookie, thank you so much. Hope you try it out. MFH Raptor, always good to see your face. The Raptor Sphere. Hey, I hope you play the game. I know you said you might play it on your phone. Give it a shot. Most of the games are mobile friendly. You know, they work. I am going to definitely develop a landscape mode. Right now, I made the games mobile friendly on portrait, and you can just do it with one hand. It's really easy. But some of the games like this game will really benefit from having landscape mode. So I will definitely do that for this game, I'm thinking. And then Jesus Christ Lives. Thanks for calling me a demon. Nothing new over here. And everybody who's jumped on Twitch, hey, thanks so much. I really appreciate your time and hanging out with me. Make sure you follow if you want to see more of this stuff. Orbem Studio is an ongoing project that I'm doing, and really trying to get it out there and let people, you know, play with it, you know, figuratively and literally. So give it a shot. Thanks so much, Sea Films, and yeah, good luck with your game engine. You know, I've been streaming less and less lately, focusing on this kind of stuff. But yeah, hopefully I see you again soon. Thanks so much. Everybody have a good night. Goodbye. Goodbye.